Passive income is the ultimate goal for many, providing a way to earn money with less active effort. In 2025, opportunities for generating passive income are more accessible than ever, thanks to advancements in technology and shifts in the economy. Let's dive into 5 passive income ideas that truly work and are worth exploring this year. 1. Dividend-paying stocks. Investing in dividend-paying stocks remains one of the most reliable ways to generate passive income. These stocks allow you to earn a portion of the company's profits regularly, simply for holding their shares. In 2025, look for companies in sectors like technology, healthcare, or renewable energy that have a strong history of consistent dividend payouts. Platforms like Robinhood or E-Trade make it easy to get started with as little as $100. The key here is reinvesting your dividends initially to take advantage of compounding growth over time. 2. Real estate crowdfunding. Not everyone can afford to buy property outright, but real estate crowdfunding has changed the game. Platforms like Fundrise or CrowdStreet allow you to invest in real estate projects with a smaller amount of capital, sometimes as low as $500. These platforms pool funds from multiple investors to finance residential or commercial properties, and you earn a share of the rental income or profits from property sales. It's a low-maintenance way to benefit from the lucrative real estate market without being a landlord. 3. Create and sell digital products. If you have expertise in a specific area, consider creating digital products like e-books, online courses, or templates. Once created, these products can be sold repeatedly without much additional effort. Platforms like Gumroad, Udemy, and Canva make it easy to host and sell your creations. For example, if you're a graphic designer, you can sell customizable design templates. Or, if you're skilled in finance, you could create a course on budgeting or investing. The potential for scalability is enormous, and 2025's growing digital economy makes this one of the most lucrative passive income streams. 4. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing continues to thrive as a passive income strategy in 2025. Here, you earn commissions by promoting other companies' products or services. Start by creating a blog, YouTube channel, or social media presence focused on a niche you're passionate about. Sign up for affiliate programs from companies like Amazon, Shopify, or niche-specific brands, and include affiliate links in your content. Each time someone purchases through your link, you earn a percentage of the sale. The trick is to provide valuable, genuine content that naturally integrates these recommendations. 5. Peer-to-peer lending. Peer-to-peer, P2P, lending platforms like LendingClub or Prosper allow you to lend money directly to individuals or small businesses and earn interest on your investment. In 2025, with interest rates fluctuating, P2P lending offers a way to achieve higher returns compared to traditional savings accounts. While there's some risk involved, many platforms allow you to diversify by lending small amounts to multiple borrowers, reducing the likelihood of significant losses. This is a hands-off approach once your initial investments are made. How to choose the right passive income stream. When deciding on a passive income strategy, consider your skills, available capital, and risk tolerance. Some options, like affiliate marketing or digital products, require an upfront investment of time and effort but can yield long-term rewards. Others, like dividend stocks or P2P lending, require financial capital but little ongoing involvement. The power of diversification. Diversifying your income streams is crucial. Don't rely solely on one method. Instead, explore multiple options to spread your risk and increase your earning potential. For instance, you could invest in dividend stocks while also creating a digital product or participating in real estate crowdfunding. Final thought. In 2025, passive income isn't just a dream. It's a realistic goal if you're willing to start and stay consistent. Whether you're investing in stocks, exploring real estate, or leveraging your skills to create digital products, the key is to take the first step. With the right approach, you can create financial stability and enjoy the freedom that comes with earning money passively. So, which of these ideas will you explore first? The sooner you start, the closer you'll be to achieving your financial goals.